now, everybody is debating the real impact of retail traders and Reddit users on rising silver prices or the other commodities Bob just showed you. So to get to the bottom of it, we figured we'd do something novel. Actually talk to somebody who sells silver. Because silver is on the move, close to its biggest one-day gain in a decade. Now, it's not just today. You can see the silver rush began last week after some mentions, yes, on Reddit. But what about physical silver, not just paper moves? Joining us now is Michael Wittmeyer, CEO and co-founder of JM Bullion. They are an online precious metals dealer. They typically got about $1 million in sales on a Sunday, but Michael, from what I understand, and correct my numbers if I'm wrong, you guys did 27 million over the weekend?
Yeah, just over 27 million on Sunday alone. Substantial numbers for us, enormous increase in demand that we've been seeing since essentially Wednesday night when those Wall Street Bets posts went up. So we've been scrambling, working hard, trying to keep up with demand.
Yeah, and a little bit later on, we're going to talk about whether or not these are real, quote, retail traders, or there's a lot of conspiracy, these hedge funds in disguise.
Yeah.
Based on the order size that you're seeing, Michael, can you determine in your years of experience maybe who these buyers actually are?
Yeah, these are individual investors. We're seeing a lot of activity from our existing customer base who we've developed over the last 9 years. We are seeing substantial increases in new customer activity as well. But it's across the board, and it's individual investors. Average purchases for us range between $2,000 and $3,000. We do have customers who purchase 6 figures or larger, but on the whole, this is individuals who are purchasing physical silver for delivery.
Are they buying coins? What exactly are they buying?
Yeah, so it's a mix of coins, bars, and rounds. We typically have about 1,000 silver products in inventory available for purchase. We're getting so cleaned out right now that we're actually, last I checked, down to about 80 items in stock, which is a number I've never seen before and never thought we would ever see.
So you're almost out of silver inventory. So if you want, I'm sure, to sell silver, which means you got to go get more. Can you go? Do your suppliers have more silver?
No, the entire industry is frankly wiped out. So what we're selling now is predominantly future deliveries. So we can secure silver that will be produced and shipped to us in the coming weeks, and we can offer that for sale to our customers so they can lock in today's spot price and take delivery in the future. But in terms of actually finding live silver that you can purchase and receive today, it's becoming impossible.
When do you think we're going to have more supplies? And by the way, maybe you can't reveal it, Michael. Are you buying from the Federal Reserve? I mean, who do you buy from, if you don't mind telling us?
Yeah, so one of the primary suppliers is actually the U.S. Mint. So they produce our most popular silver product, which is a 1 ounce coin called the American Silver Eagle. They have the capacity to make around 500,000 ounces of that product on a weekly basis. For context, since Friday night, we've sold over 260,000 ounces of those, and that would have been substantially higher if we had not run out. So that kind of puts into context, we're just one dealer in one geographic market. That's kind of the shock to the supply chain that we're going to be dealing with for months.
And can you correlate, and I know you're not exactly in tune, Wall Street Bets, Wall Street Silver, which is a new Reddit subreddit created a couple of days ago. Have you been able to poke around? Do you think there's a direct correlation in terms of your order flow and sort of this online attention the last really 3 to 4 days? Direct correlation?
Absolutely. It was like a light flipping on overnight Wednesday, and it just went crazy Thursday, Friday, and over the weekend. So as I mentioned, we did see increased activity from the existing customer base, but I believe that was actually driven by, essentially media attention on this story and, silver being in the headlines as a potential target of Wall Street Bets. So we are seeing those, Reddit users coming in directly making purchases, but on the whole, it's actually a lot of our own customers, I think, trying to get ahead of, what they're trying to do.
Wow, so maybe a combination of both. Truly incredible. Some of the lowest inventories you've had. Maybe the mint is out of silver. I don't know. Michael Wittmeyer, really fascinating on-the-ground stuff. We appreciate it. Have a great day.
Thank you.